Hi everyone, my name is Adam.
And my name is Emily.
And by the end of this video, you'll understand what financial literacy is.
And why it matters. So what is financial literacy?
It's having the knowledge and skills in order to budget properly and grow your wealth over time.
Also, having an understanding of debt and credit to avoid bad debt. Finances impact daily life.
Think of it like driving a car. If you don't put the skills like accelerating, braking, and steering all together at the same time, you'll never get to your destination.
The more understanding and confidence you can build around finance, the more you can prepare for unexpected expenses and have less anxiety surrounding money overall. In future videos, we plan to tackle investing, saving, debt management, budgeting, credit and credit scores, and more.
But for now, here's a quick recap. Investing is the basics of growing your money. This involves things like purchasing stocks, ETFs, or putting money into your retirement account. How this works is you purchase a small ownership of a company, and their profits become part of your profits, depending on what portion of the company you own.
The only thing you can't buy is time, so it's important to start investing as soon as you can.
This is a topic that we'll break down further in future videos.
Saving allows you to plan for future goals. We'll talk about building an emergency fund and different types of savings accounts, including high-yield savings.
Debt management involves avoiding the dangers of bad debt, while also being able to pay off your current debt on time. Companies like Apple have billions of dollars in debt on their balance sheet even when they don't need it. This is because it's cheaper to use somebody else's money. It's not a bad thing to have debt, unless you're doing it improperly, and this is where debt management skills come into play.
Heavily tied to both saving, debt management, and even investing, budgeting is a great way to track your income and expenses to avoid overspending.
When you use credit, you're utilizing somebody else's money in order to finance your transactions. Using a credit card allows you to build up your credit score over time as well. And when you have good credit history and a better credit score, this allows you to get better terms when you're looking for debt.
Learning about finance can be overwhelming. There's a wealth of information out there, pun intended, but you're not expected to learn everything overnight.
Start small, make a brokerage account, or use free resources like Google Sheets to track your expenses over time.
Our goal is to provide you with small, actionable steps that you can implement in your daily life.
So please feel free to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future content.
And be sure to check out our socials. We have LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. And make sure to check out our website for more free resources.
We'd love to hear from you guys. Please let us know in the comments what topics you're interested in or any questions you have about personal finance. We've also put together a quick survey that will be linked below. We really appreciate if you take the time to fill it out and share it with your friends. We're looking forward to seeing you guys in our future videos. Thanks for watching.